Audi. The name itself evokes a sense of sophisticated luxury and cutting-edge technology. As an automobile enthusiast, I've always been drawn to cars that push the boundaries of performance and design. Audi has consistently delivered on this front, solidifying its place as a leader in the premium automotive world. From their iconic Quattro all-wheel drive system to their sleek and stylish designs, Audi vehicles are a testament to German engineering prowess. Audi's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of their vehicles, from the advanced powertrains to the luxurious interiors. Whether it's a sporty coupe, a refined sedan, or a versatile SUV, Audi offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. With a rich racing heritage and a global presence, Audi continues to captivate drivers around the world. The story of Audi begins in the heart of Germany with a man named August Horch. In 1909, Horch, an ambitious engineer with a passion for automobiles, founded his second car company. He named it Audi, the Latin translation of his last name, which means listen in German. This marked the beginning of a legacy that would go on to shape the automotive industry. The four rings in the Audi emblem, one of the most recognizable logos in the world, represent the merger of four independent car makers in 1932. Media, close-up of the Audi four rings logo, vintage car logos of Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer, historical footage of car logos. Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer. This union, known as Auto Union, pooled the resources and expertise of these companies, paving the way for Audi's future success. The company faced its share of challenges in the following decades, including the devastation of World War II. However, Audi's commitment to innovation and engineering excellence never wavered. Audi has always stood apart from its competitors by offering a unique blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Audi doesn't just build cars, they craft driving experiences. Their vehicles are designed to appeal to discerning drivers who demand the best of the best. Step inside an Audi and you're greeted with a meticulously crafted interior. High-quality materials, ergonomic design, and advanced technology come together to create a truly luxurious ambiance. But Audi's commitment to luxury goes beyond just aesthetics. It's about the feeling you get when you grip the leather-wrapped steering wheel, hear the refined purr of the engine, and experience the seamless acceleration. It's about the confidence of knowing you're behind the wheel of a machine that's as capable as it is sophisticated.